Hi friends, in this video we will learn about some of the methods which can be used for locating items in a list. There are two list methods which can be used to locate items in a list, count and index. Let us go through both these methods in detail, starting with the count method. The count method can be used to count the occurrences of an item in a list. The value of the item has to be provided as an argument. For example, let us assign a list containing items string A, int 1, int 2, int 1 and int 3 to a variable L. Now, to count the number of times string A occurs in the list, let us execute L.count string A. The value returned is 1 as string A occurs only once in the list. Let us now count the number of times int 1 occurs in the list. Execute L.count 1. The result returned is 2 as int 1 occurs twice in the list. Moving on to the next method. An item X can be located in a list using the index method, which returns the first occurrence of the item. For example, let us assign a list containing items string A, int 5, int 2, int 5 and int 3 to a variable L. Now execute L.index 5. The value returned is 1 as the first occurrence of 5 is at index equal to 1 in the list. The index method also accepts optional arguments start and end, which search in the slice start is to end. Start and end default to 0 and length of list respectively. For example, let us assign a list containing items string A, int 5, int 2, int 5 and int 3 to a variable L. Now execute L.index 5, 2. The value returned is 3 as the first occurrence of 5 at the index equal to or greater than 2 is at 3. Let us now perform another search by executing L.index 5, 1, 4. The result returned is 1 as the first occurrence of 5 in the index range greater than equal to 1 and less than 4 is at 1. Let us perform another search by executing L.index 5, 4. This time a value error is raised as there is no occurrence of 5 in the index range greater than or equal to 4 and less than the length of the list.